Hey geek, so let's talk about wasting your time on YouTube. So this might sound kind of weird because obviously I'm creating YouTube videos for you to watch here on YouTube, but I'm going to come at it from two different perspectives that kind of gives you an idea of what it means to waste your time. And so the first way is something that we're all used to and we're all doing, and that is basically as a consumer. So whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook/Meta, Instagram, Twitter, whatever the platforms might be, there's so many ways for us to waste our time, especially when it comes to video. As with every major platform, video is the main content type that they're pushing. And when it comes to YouTube, it does an insanely great job in recommending you content that just keeps you on this platform for hours and hours on end. And before you know it, you've just realized you've wasted hundreds of hours watching YouTube videos. So that's the first thing. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so the second biggest waste of time here on YouTube is the one that I feel is most important, and that is as a creator. So for a lot of people, if they've never done YouTube before, then they still have that whole consumer mindset and habits. And so we're coming here on YouTube expecting we can still do the same things, just consume a lot of videos and still make it here on YouTube or other platforms. But the reality is, when you're wasting your time here on YouTube with that whole consumer mindset, it's actually more damaging to you as a creator, because obviously you're spending more time consuming versus creating. And so it is really simple in this case. How do you know if you're wasting your time here on YouTube as a creator? Well, you're not creating content, you're not seeing growth. And if you want to make it a business or as a career, then obviously you need to make money. And all of those things require you to be a creator versus a consumer. And I wouldn't say you should definitely not consume at all. I would just say you would spend more of your time consuming things that'll help you create more. So for me, I spend a lot of my time consuming content that teaches me new skills like video editing, marketing, design, how to communicate, how to build teams. All those things are going to help you in the long term in your entire creative journey. And this doesn't just apply to YouTube, but it also applies to pretty much any other platform or entrepreneurial venture that you decide to take. So those are my quick thoughts on wasting time here on YouTube as a consumer or as a creator, or maybe a little bit of both. So if you did have any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my videos on YouTube, my journey, tutorials, tips, and just overall thoughts like this, I do have a playlist. I'll leave in the description area below or up here.